Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Foodie Channel. Today, I am just gonna show you how I prepare my pork chop in a very easy way of cooking pork chop and how I marinate it to keep it nice and tender. So let's go check it out. So I have 4 pieces of bone-in pork chop. See this? This is around half an inch thick. All right, so I will put it in a plate so I can do the seasoning properly, because I will do it individually. When I put the seasoning, it should be marinating nicely. Okay, so we'll just lay this in a plate for now, right there. Okay, we get rid of this. So what I have here is some orange juice. Orange juice tenderizes the meat, and so that's what I'm going to use to tenderize my meat and marinate for a few minutes. So I will just put both sides a little bit of orange juice on each pork chop. So let's do that. You don't need too much. Around half a tablespoon of orange juice per side. We'll just spread it out. Don't worry, we'll flip this, so the orange juice will gonna go to the other side anyways. All right, just do like that. And then I have at least around 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I will spread some cornstarch on each piece of pork chop on top. So we'll do that right now, just like this. Spread it out. Okay. So it doesn't have to be a lot. It's just a thin layer of cornstarch on one side for now, because we're gonna do the same in the other side, but for now I'm showing you one side first. And then there you go, that's good. The seasoning, we don't have a really fancy seasoning, just simple salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic salt. So we'll do the salt first. Okay, generously put some salt on your pork chop, just like that. Go. And then black pepper. It's always nice to have a freshly ground black pepper. There you go. And of course, the garlic salt. So just drizzle some or sprinkle some garlic salt. Sprinkle some garlic salt. Just like that. Okay. There you go. You can add a little bit of olive oil. Spread it out. Okay. So we'll be marinating this at least 30 minutes before cooking time. And then every time I flipped it, every maybe 10 minutes I flip it, so the marinating process is gonna be nice and even. Okay, so that's good. So we'll do the other side now. Right, let's flip it on the other side. Go. All right. So after 10 minutes of marinating, we're going to flip this pork chop to one side, just like that. Because as you can see, the orange juice went down below. There we go. That's it. Now before we fry our pork chop, we're going to coat our pork chop with some breadcrumbs. I'm using regular breadcrumbs. This is not seasoned or nothing on it. It's just a plain breadcrumbs. So I will just coat the pork chop on both sides, and then we'll set this aside while we do the rest. So now I will be frying this pork chop 2 at a time at low to medium heat in 5 minutes per side at least, and flip it after 5 minutes, and then we can do the same process for the other 2 pork chops left. So our pork chop is ready. I will be serving my pork chop with some creamy, garlicky mashed potatoes garnished with some fresh herbs. And of course, I will add some creamy cucumber salad on the side. And this is it. That's dinner for today. Thank you guys for watching this recipe and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell to get notified for my next video. Hope to see you again next time. Thank you so much. God bless and bye-bye.